if it was based on performance-wise and all these things currently, questionable within the Ronwen Williams. Performance is not up to standard, is not up to par. Again, I believe I want to believe what can do more. Abazi better, so right now I'm feeling that because the coach I believe again. And if you have a coach I believe again, we know putting that see can't so capable of going down. So say I'll go winning for you. I think Ricardo Court is one of those goalkeepers our consider with PSL in one game, 7 goals. It was so superb. So you know what it's capable of, and the coach believe again because the players are called. So I think being independent with the World Cup no matter, because I don't know how you choose a goalkeeper based on performance or based on my clean sheet or based on what, you know. Because for me, we see Pocha he's not a bad keeper. And you don't tell me about clean sheets because he's being protected. So for me,
as long as they put a before Kubek, mabengashaye palini ngeke kube igoli. Kubeka. But fanele silungise iphutha. Previous goalkeeper of the season with 10 clean sheets.
Yeah, but you see
at the previous
you see if you're talking stats, I mean, I'll tell you what
it's not a stat.
Wait.
It's a recognition.
Wait. In the games that he plays, in games that are crucial, he raised his hand and I'm sure Hugo Bros knows because Wayak injury, so and I was shattering not. He was gonna be called for Bafana Bafana and then he got his surgery and all that. So for me, Peterson, Fana, Amelik. I'm not a coach, but it's supposed to be there. Based on what? Look, if Kaizer Chiefs is singer keeper Peterson, you know, all in their games, they were not gonna be number 3.